is a video on how to remove a Corbin double-sided deadbolt without any screws. You can see there's no screws on either side. You can see right here where someone tried to pick off the cover. You can see over on this side where somebody's taking pliers and tried to spin it off or get it off. That's not the way to do it. Although you can't probably see down in here, down inside here, there are two holes. You can see one right there. You can see one hole right there. And what you do, there's one on each side, and you take this Allen wrench and you stick it down inside that hole, jiggle it until you find the set screw. Then you work the set screw back until it bottoms out. You'll feel it get tough, and it will stop, and that's as far as you take it right there. But do both sides because you're not sure which side is going to spin out. So do it on both sides. Then go to either side, and as you'll see, it just spins right off. I just got lucky and got the correct side. Now that reveals 3 screws, and we'll remove those 3 screws, and then we'll take out the rest of the deadbolt. Anyway, thank you for stopping by.